Appreciate it, man.
Appreciate you. I thought I lost that.
Man, you did your thing. You know they say scary money don't make no money. You wasn't scary. You wanted to make memories. I got a bet with him. Damn, what's taking so long? One of them Fort Worth trucks. Boy, that left side running so motherfucking hard. Damn, boy. It was like he wasn't even racing nobody in his class. Man, that left side running so goddamn hard. That's some shit you be buying, fool. Why you ain't bought nothing from them yet, bro? Huh?
I don't want no truck.
Buy a car from that. They tune cars.
I got a car.
But you need one from Midnight Performance, fool.
I got one that's fast.
Ain't nobody fucking with Midnight Performance. You don't know that yet? You want to bet against them?
If they got an AC and heater, yeah.
AC and heater,
Yeah.
Midnight Performance, cause you gonna try 'em.
Full interior car. Yep.
AC heater, full interior, Midnight Performance, you'll try.
Yes, sir.
They gonna get on your ass. You ain't seen them cars.
They don't sit like me.
Oh, they don't have no AC. All right, I'm gonna put the word out there.
Put it out.
All right. Damn, motherfuckers ain't got no AC and heater. Dirty. Okay. Ooh, it got cold out here, y'all. Let's bet. Come on, man. How much, man? Bet 200. 200, man. Bet 1,000. Fuck it. That's a bet. I'm right here, man. Where the hell the other phone go? Where that Buchanan's at? Hey, man. Bullshit ass Buchanan's.
Hey, bro, you have tickets? Yeah, yeah, tickets.
Nah, I ain't ready yet. You or stickers? Yeah, I got some. You want some? How many you want?
One.
Alright, get one off of there.
Hey, you got, where do you sell them? You sell beanies or what?
Yeah, I sell beanies.
You got them on you right now? You got Instagram?
Yeah, look out racing.
Follow me back. I'm gonna talk to you.
Okay. You edit? Video?
Show my pictures.
Nah.
Show me pictures of my.
You want to edit pictures? Yeah. I need a video editor. You got one?